With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, this is a question. Let me explain it to you. An HCP and a CCP structure of a given element would be expected to have which of the following? The first option is saying the same coordinational number. So considering the first point, we can see the structures of HCP and CCP over here, the arrangement. So in hexagonal closed packed structure, that is HCP, we can see that the third layer of the atoms is having the same arrangement as that of the first layer, right? While the second layer is different, so we can see that they are following the arrangement as AB, AB, AB type, right? So coordination number we can easily calculate here. So if we see the second layer, the three atoms are touching each other. In the above plane, we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 atoms touching the same, right? And in the lower also we can see 6 atoms. So here the coordination number would be 12. Okay, so coordination number for HCP is basically taken as 12. Whereas if we focus on the CCP structure, the second one that is written here, then in the CCP we can see that arrangement is different because second and third layer is different, okay, from the first as well. All the three layers are completely different. So this kind of arrangement in CCP is basically our ABC, ABC, ABC kind of arrangement and so on. Right, so if we want to see the contribution also of the coordination number, we can see here 6 atoms in the below plane and 3 in the central plane, right? And again 3 over here in the third layer. So here also coordination number comes out to be 12. Okay, so first option is correct. The second part is saying they have the same density. Now it cannot be true over here. HCP and CCP do not have the same density. HCP and CCP don't have same density even if they are made up of same element, because the reason is that these structures have different number of atoms per unit cell. Different number of atoms per unit cell. If we talk about the HCP arrangement, it is having 8 spheres per unit cell, but in CCP we are having 4 spheres per unit cell. So there is no point of the same density. The third part, so this is wrong. The third part is saying that they have same packing fraction. Now this is right because both CCP and HCP are actually having the same packing fractions. Okay, that is the packing efficiency, or we can say fraction, in both HCP and CCP is 74%. Okay, so therefore we can say that packing fraction over here in both of them will be 0.74. Okay, so option number C is also correct. Okay, so correct answer here is part number A and C. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.